So when you have an illumination, um, is it completely spontaneous? Can you plan it?
Don't I wish I could plan it? I'm a Virgo. I'd like to plan everything. Oh no, they come from outside. They come unexpectedly. They're startling. The only consistent thing I could say is they come when my mind is quiet, is more quiet. So the conceptual mind is, and I'm a long time meditator. So when my conceptual mind is quiet, it's really quiet, and that seemed to be the soil to which they would arise. But they did come from outside, unexpected, never convenient, and yet every single one of them thwarted my rational or my conceptual mind. I couldn't make meaning. It wasn't available. And then I would have an experience in the body with occasioned by these illuminations by language, none of which I understood because I didn't, from the beginning, didn't know why this was happening, which is why I archived each one after I had them and bulleted, sent them off to my editor, because I'm like, I don't know what this is, but it feels important given the message, my near-death experience. And it wasn't until maybe 20, probably around COVID time, 2020, that I said, there is a governing aim in these messages because they have consistently been changing the quality and the structure of my awareness without my conceptual mind being able to make meaning.
So what is that? I mean, have you worked out what that quality or purpose is?
I don't even think in those terms any longer. I just take each day. I don't even have any beliefs. I play in beliefs. I'd love to play in beliefs, but I see a belief for simply what it is. But what has occurred as a result of it is the living in linear reality with an us and them duality perspective is like, it's a mother language for all of us, but it is no longer my primary language. My primary language is unity consciousness, non-dual awareness, but not non-dual awareness from the mind, non-dual awareness through a participatory experience with the underlying whole. And the felt sense of that and the shift in the structure of consciousness embodied. And language is what brought this experience. I would say transcendent dreaming too.
Yeah.
But language